The world's largest bicycle parking garage in Utrecht has had an upgrade. Especially the two entrances turned out to be too narrow, so they have been widened. There are now 2 lanes into the garage. And there were some other minor changes. The garage had been opened in 2019, and not everything turned out to be convenient. That people would have to check in for the lower and upper floors was decided after the garage was designed, and that check-in area, right after the entrance, wasn't perfect. Now there are 2 lanes, which means the people parking on street level, who do not have to check in, can now simply pass in the left lane. Especially when it is busy, there can be a line here. With the second lane, it is now better possible to pass people waiting for checking in. The reconstruction took place in the summer of 2022. Part of the concrete in the entrance area had to be removed to widen the entrance. A giant saw was used with huge detachable saw blades to cut away a big chunk of the concrete forming the curbs. It made an incredible noise, but the saw did the job. The concrete between the cycle lanes in front of the entrance was also completely removed. This does not only make the lanes wider, but it also eliminates the risk of riding into that concrete. Without the dividing walls, there is more room to overtake people. That people can now use part of the opposite lane is considered less risky than hitting that concrete wall was. The odd black zebra crossing was removed. Because a zebra crossing is only legal when it has white lines, the new crossing, between white lines, indicates to pedestrians that they do not have the right of way here. The signage has been changed as well. The original letters of the exit names were prone to damage. The new signs are more sturdy and better legible. Some expansion joints in the concrete floors were added or improved, and many surfaces in the garage got a top layer that is less slippery for both cycling and walking. Edges of steps became better visible, and added lines and yield markings should reduce the risk of collisions. With all these minor changes and repairs, the world's largest bicycle parking garage has become a bit better again. Thanks for watching. Did you find this video interesting? Then please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to receive updates on my future videos.